Alright, and I know the machine is not exactly sitting level, but we are just a tick above the full mark, and I know that that filter that we installed is not filled with oil, so it's going to fill up as we start the machine. We're going to go ahead and start the machine now, check for any leaks. I already pre-checked the filter to make sure nothing was dripping out of there when I put my oil in. Checked, of course, underneath. Now the final test, if we did everything right, it'll be ready to fire up.